So the pizza stone, which I've been using, I broke a ton in my career as a home cook, and the baking steel comes along. Well, it stores 20 times the energy of a stone. So in other words, I can turn a 500-degree oven into an industrial powerhouse.
Great, that's what we're looking for.
That's the sound.
Especially from a home oven.
Wow, is that
people
beautiful?
always have trouble trying to achieve that.
Still only using 500 degrees. That heat's gonna transfer so fast into the dough, it's gonna cook the pizzas in like 3 or 4 minutes, every single time. So we open the oven up and heat escapes. Well, that steel continues to bounce back up to 500 degrees, almost not instantaneously, but within minutes. Whereas a pizza stone, each time you open up that oven, it loses the heat and just really never gets back there, which is why a pizza stone, I'm making pizzas in like 10 to 12 minutes, whereas a steel, it's 3 or 4 minutes every single time. And that's what makes it so successful.